In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a video on Google Meet with audio. Whether you're hosting a virtual classroom, presenting to colleagues, or sharing a funny clip with friends, this step-by-step guide will ensure everyone in the meeting can see and hear your video clearly. Let's dive in. Firstly, we'll need to navigate to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, sign in using your account details. You'll immediately notice the new meeting button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your first step towards sharing that engaging video you've been wanting to showcase. After you've clicked on New Meeting, you'll see a few options pop up. What you want to select is, say, Start an instant meeting. This creates a new meeting right away, without scheduling it for later. You'll find yourself in an active meeting environment, ready to share your content. Now that your meeting is live, look for the Present button, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will take you a step closer to sharing your video with your attendees. Here comes an important part, sharing your audio. When you click on Present, you'll see an option to share your entire screen, a window, or a tab. But before you choose, make sure to turn on the option for sharing audio. This is crucial because it ensures that when you play the video, not only the visuals but the sound will be shared with your participants as well. It's a common step people miss that can make all the difference between a successful presentation and one where people are asking, can anyone else hear the audio? Once you've ensured the audio sharing options turned on, it's time to select the Chrome tab that contains the video you wish to present. Choosing a Chrome tab as opposed to sharing your entire screen allows you to share that specific content directly, making for a cleaner and more focused viewer experience. Finally, with your Chrome tab selected, click on Share. Now just play your video from the tab as you normally would. Everyone in your Google Meet should now be able to see and hear the video just like you do, completing the experience you intended to share. A few parting tips. Make sure your internet connection is stable to prevent any lag or disruptions during playback. If the video is on a platform like YouTube, adjust the quality settings if necessary to match your bandwidth. And always, before starting your presentation, do a quick check to ensure everything's working perfectly. And there you go. You're now ready to share videos with audio on Google Meet, making your presentations, classes, or friendly get-togethers that much more engaging and fun. Happy presenting!